going to provide right information that is going to act as an antidote against all these diseases called misinformation, fake news and disinformation. So you have to work in that direction. But it is really very difficult time also. Tan par pehra bhatak raha man saathi keval hai sunapan.
You're a shair as well. This is the most different side I've seen of yours right now.
So I believe in, because I feel that where the prose fails, the poetry works. So I try to express
How
certain
you
things.
play with your words all the time.
That is what actually the wordsmith has to do. So journalist has to be.
You have to gain some experience from somewhere. Someone is your right now inspiration.
Nobody. I think I personally felt that there had been occasions where you are not able to convey your things in the form of prose. But poetry really works where you are able to convey your things, you are able to convey your message, and then you are able to strike that emotional chord also.
Have you written some poetry on the present situation right now?
See, I have written lot many lines, but I'll talk about today is the Press Freedom Day, so I'll be talking about that's where you in fact cut me short. Tan par pehra bhatak raman. That's where I am trying to tell people that you have to be very careful, because it becomes very easy for you to criticize journalists, especially in the conflict zones where they are working off and on. They have to face a situation. Sometimes you have a close shave with death also. Tan par pehra bhatak raha man saathi keval hai sunapan. मैं भी रोता हूँ अकेले में जो फंस गया इस झमेले में. कलम कल तक थी जो प्यारी आज लगे है वही भारी. कल अशरफ शाबान फिर शुजात बुखारी मेरी भी हो सकती है बारी. So there is an uncertainty. Yeah. Uncertainty is the only certainty what we have in conflict zones. So
Press Freedom Day is celebrated all over the globe today, and right now this year the theme of World Press Freedom Day is journalism without fear and favor, and one of the most fearless journalists of Jammu and Kashmir is with me right now, Mr. Pradeep Datta, and let him ask how you have become the most fearless journalist of Jammu and Kashmir. So how's your journey?
See, all I believe in is that I call it no news is in fact bad news, and bad news is good news, and good news is advertisement. And I never believed in advertisement, because my job is not only to project and highlight the government. Exactly. All what I tried to do was that I had been speaking for the people, and if you speak for the people, you are laying a very strong foundation. You're laying a strong foundation for a strong India. That's what we have been doing. And what I say, in fact, one of the poets has rightly said, "Hangama khada karna mera maqsad nahi. मेरी कोशिश यही रहती है कि सूरत हाल बदलनी चाहिए. आग मेरे सीने में ऐसे ही तुम्हारे
सीने में. Change the society, the mindset of society.
Basically, it's not about changing mindset of the society, but also trying to show mirror to society also, because that's what the job of the journalism is all about. At a time when we are facing lot many problems, especially when we are grappling with a problem called COVID-19. Exactly. So this is the time there is a lot of misinformation campaign going on. So with this misinformation campaign, we should understand one thing, what a journalist can do. We can provide antidote to the misinformed campaign by informing people in right direction. तो आप उनको सही खबर देते हैं सही तरीके से. That's what actually you have to do. So I think if you keep on doing your job with that jazba.
Some people right now are doing opinionism rather than journalism. They are just giving their opinion rather than they are doing their job as a journalist. So what's your take on that?
See, I don't think that anything is neutral nowadays, and it is not possible also, because if you are in a situation and something really happening, and you can't say that if you are seeing something of your own, आप ये तो नहीं कह सकते eyewitness ने ये कहा. So if you are also part of something happening, so you have to explain certain things, because it's not about only news, it's also about analyzing things. You have to in fact. How
you analyze your thing, because whatever you analyze comes with a perfection.
See, आपके अंदर एक जज्बा जुनून होना चाहिए. If you are having that जज्बा जुनून, I believe in three things that really works. One is the passion for work. Honestly, if you keep on doing work, you are able to make a difference. And second thing is that nose for news. And third thing is that fire in your belly. If you've got the fire in your belly, you can make difference. And you have to lend voice to the voiceless. If you're able to lend voice to voiceless people, you are able to, in fact, make people believe in you. And people have that got trust in you, because last resort क्या रहता है कभी भी if somebody has a problem, he is looking either towards the judiciary. अब जब judiciary भी कुछ नहीं कर पाती है, then he is looking towards the journalist. So journalist अपना दायित्व अगर पूरे तरीके से निभाए, तो जो लोगों की आकांक्षा हैं, जो लोगों के उनसे hopes हैं, तो expectations हैं, तो you will be able to fulfill that.
So how you work in this tough time of COVID-19? How you protect yourself from COVID-19?
See, we have to take all sorts of precautionary measures, what we have to do, because we had been telling people that you have to go for certain things. Like precaution is like maintaining hygiene and other things. But all I had been telling you that COVID-19, if you look at, this is the most negative word, that is corona positive. This is the most negative word
Now
right now.
positive
in
has
20.
become the
Well,
most
positive,
negative
but
thing
still-
right now.
But still, what I had been looking at the positive in all these negative also. One, that India has emerged as a leader. Like Prime Minister Narendra Modi had been leading from the front, the way he had been telling the world how you have to really work in this direction. We had somewhere been able to flatten that corona curve. And because reason being that our leadership was able to take certain decisions like lockdown, which other countries followed. And the second thing is that pollution, we had been able to control that. So things have really
Jammu
become
has
clear.
become the pollution-free city right
Said-
now.
And the third thing is that you got the time because we had been a part of the rat race. We had been just running around, had no time for our family members because there was a God has made us believe that there is something called pause button, and He had pressed
You
that
have
pause
to
button.
stop everything just to move forward.
Yes, he has just pressed that pause button, and we are here with our family members, spending a good time with them, interacting with them, sharing things with them, and that way, the bonding is really going to grow. Otherwise, what we had been doing is that most of the time we had been busy with it, what I call mobile shaitani charkha. So we had been looking at towards the mobile phone. Hardly there was any interaction. So I think we should enjoy this period also. Whatever the situation is, that we need to enjoy each and every situation in a manner that we can also tell people that you can also emerge victorious if you know how to deal with the situation, and especially during these crisis hours.
How to maintain social distancing and how to make the word emotional bonding, how to make it strong right now?
सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग तो होगी. मैं अक्सर कहता हूँ कि गाना होता था दिल ढूंढता है फिर से वही फुर्सत के रात दिन. दैट वाज द सॉन्ग बाय गुलजार साहब एंड अक्सर वी यूज्ड टू सिंग दैट सॉन्ग. बट इन टुडेज एरा आई डोंट थिंक दैट सॉन्ग रियली रिमेन्स वैलिड आल्सो. दिल ढूंढता है फिर से वही. We have lot of फुर्सत. We need to utilize this फुर्सत के दिन.
Yeah,
And then second
right
thing
now
is
there
about
is
social
fursat.
distancing. You said more important is about this emotional bonding.
Yeah, exactly.
Emotionally, we
That's what
are
Prime
more
Minister
connected with each other. We had been calling our friends, we had been interacting with them, talking to them. We may not be meeting them, but digital era, what the Prime Minister was talking about, that is there. We have got so many digital meetings nowadays. Online meetings are going on, online classes are going on. So that has given a flip to the digital world. And I think that's a good and the positive sign.
Last question would be what's your message to the rumor mongers right now? They are spreading fake news over the social media, and it will be very bad for our society because somehow we are fighting with the COVID-19, on the other hand we are fighting with the rumor mongers as well.
See, the biggest challenge right now is the fake news. So we have to deal with that. हमारा काम ही यही है कि that we have to inform people, not to misinform people. We have to fight against this misinformation as well as the disinformation campaign. That's where I said, if you are going to provide right information, that is going to act as an antidote against all these diseases called misinformation, fake news and disinformation. So you have to work in that direction. But it is really very difficult time also. तन पर पहरा भटक रहा मन साथी केवल है सूनापन.
You're shy as well. This is the most different side I've seen of yours right now.
So I believe in, because I feel that where the prose fails, the poetry works. So I try to express
How
certain
you
things.
play with your words all the time?
That is what actually the wordsmith has to do. So journalist has to be. a
You have to
wordsmith
gain
also.
some experience from somewhere. Someone is your right now inspiration. or-
Nobody. I think I personally felt that there had been occasions where you are not able to convey your things in the form of prose. But poetry really works where you are able to convey your things, you are able to convey your message, and then you are able to strike that emotional chord
Have
also.
you written some poetry on the present situation right now?
See, I have written lot many lines, but I'll talk about today is the Press Freedom Day, so I'll be talking about that's where you in fact cut me short. Tan par pehra bhatak raman. That's where I am trying to tell people that you have to be very careful because it becomes very easy for you to criticize journalists, especially in the conflict zones where they are working off and on. They have to face a situation. Sometimes you have a close shave with death also. तन पर पहरा भटक रहा मन साथी केवल है सूनापन. मैं भी रोता हूँ अकेले में जो फंस गया इस झमेले में. कलम कल तक थी जो प्यारी आज लगे है वही भारी. कल अशरफ शाबान फिर शुजात बुखारी मेरी भी हो सकती है बारी. So there is an uncertainty. Uncertainty is the only certainty what we have in conflict zones. So it becomes very easy for an outsider to criticize us. We don't get
Even they don't know what kind of circumstances we are facing right now. We also have a family. You also have a children. You also have a wife, and somehow they have fear in their mind that Papa is going out somewhere, and what would be the result of that?
अब देखिए सबसे बड़ी चीज़ जो थी what was the challenging situation was that you have not only to take care of your health because you have to take care of the health of your family members. When in the evening you are going back home, you have to ensure that you are not acting as a carrier and not acting as a courier of this coronavirus. So what you used to do is you used to sanitize yourself. I had been, for the first time I started washing my clothes properly the moment I go home. I first of all I take shower, sanitize my shoes, then wash my clothes, and then because you have a responsibility towards your family also, you have a responsibility towards people also, you have a responsibility towards nation also, and then when you keep on informing things. And so you trying to generate that awareness. So you have to follow those things. It is not that you are prescribing something and then you're not taking that medicine yourself. You have to take that medicine yourself also. Only then people will be taking you seriously, and then things are really going
So
to.
how you feel when PM said that media is also considered as a corona warrior? So what was the feeling of yours that now right now someone is recognizing and appreciating our work on the field?
See, till date there had been only one warrior, and that was a soldier on ground, soldier deployed on line of control who had been standing like a rock taking bullets on the body. But now we are the new corona warriors. I think that's a good thing that Prime Minister made people to realize the kind of the job we are doing. And I think that we should equally salute you also. You are a warrior with a microphone. You may not be holding that gun to defeat enemy because we are dealing with an enemy that is a very invisible enemy. So we are dealing with that enemy. So I think that's what actually Prime Minister said. We hardly get any bouquet. Often we get big bats, but good thing that after a long time people are also saluting us and understanding and realizing that the kind of the difficult situation we are working in and the kind of the job we are doing.
So this was Mr. Pradeep Datta. I would always call him as the corona warrior because in this tough time he is doing his job very well. With video journalist Gulshan Kumar Ruhani for Sri News.